Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the cell phone signal booster for home, specifically designed for Verizon 5G and 4G LTE networks. This booster claims to cover up to 4,000 square feet and promises to enhance your signal strength, reduce dropped calls, and improve data connections. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our unbiased product reviews. The cell phone signal booster ensures you always have a strong signal, even at a distance from the tower. Compatible with Verizon and Straight Talk on Band 13, it covers frequencies from 777 MHz to 787 MHz and 746 MHz to 756 MHz. Works with iPhones, Android phones, iPads, and Wi-Fi hotspots, supporting multiple cellular devices simultaneously. This booster not only increases signal strength but also enhances 5G and 4G data connections. Experience faster download and upload speeds without buffering, along with high-quality voice calls. Enjoy smoother browsing, video streaming, and online shopping experiences. The Home 5G cell phone signal booster provides stable signal and greater penetration. Eliminate dead zones and enjoy signal coverage up to 3,500 to 4,000 square feet. Suitable for use in homes, offices, apartments, restaurants, malls, and more. The booster features a 65 decibels high gain and AGC that automatically adjusts system gain and power level for optimal performance. Better signal reception also leads to reduced phone battery consumption, improving battery life in standby mode. The product is FCC authenticated, ensuring compliance with regulations. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and professional technical support. Installation is made easy with an included user manual, guiding you through the process. So, is the cell phone signal booster for home a worthwhile investment? It appears to deliver on its promises of stronger signals, reduced dropped calls, and improved data connections. The 360-degree signal coverage and automatic gain control add to its appeal. Plus, it's backed by FCC approval and a money-back guarantee for peace of mind. If you're struggling with poor cell signal at home, this booster might just be the solution you need. Don't forget to check the description for a link to purchase this product if you're interested. That's a wrap for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments down below. If you'd like to see more product reviews like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.